Welcome to the Comfee Mug channel. My name is Christian, and this video is gonna be a little different because, well,
I can't believe it!
so instead of a tutorial today, I have a special free gift for you guys waiting at the end of this video after I give a little update on the future of this channel. But first, I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support in this channel and making this community such an amazing place. I never thought we'd make it to even 1,000 subscribers before a year, let alone 10,000. But you have all joined this Blender anime journey with me and have shown me that it is more than worth it to keep making tutorials like these. And speaking of which, I have a ton of tutorials planned for the future. Some for previous projects I've teased that many of you have been asking for, and others new projects that I've never shown you guys that'll bring all of your anime renders to the next level. But with all of that in mind, I'm sure there are still many tutorial ideas I'm forgetting to put on the schedule, and I would love to hear from you guys, so feel free to comment and let me know what else you would like to see. I have loved reading all of your comments and responding to as many as I can, and I've actually learned so much from you guys in the comments and on Discord. You have all made this channel such a wonderful place to be, and I am so thankful for all of you. So, as a thank you for being so supportive of this channel and really making it grow, I want to give you all this cherry blossom scene I've made, all for free for you guys to use in your own projects if you'd like. The link for this is in the description, and it'll take you over to my Patreon where you can download it. And as for my patrons, you will be getting this scene in addition to the monthly assets I make for you guys. And I think I have a pretty good set planned for this month as well. I do want to thank all of my patrons, especially those in the Elder Mug tier. You guys are the ones who truly make it possible for me to continue making these tutorials on YouTube. And I hope that soon I'll be able to do all of this full time for you guys to enjoy more content and anime assets. But all of that being said, I am so excited for the future of this channel, so thank you all for being here and being so encouraging, and thank you God for giving me this platform and ability to teach people how to make anime in Blender. I hope you all enjoy the free cherry blossom scene and that you have a comfy day, and I'll see you here for more anime tutorials next time at the Comfee Mug.